So let me get into details of what is going on. So I have the 3 pails. If you see in my previous video, I bought some of these chalk stickers or labels. I also got those at Hobby Lobby. You could probably get them at Walmart or any other retail store that might have them in like the what is it called, like business side, or where labels are usually at. But while I was there, I just grabbed these and I like the design, so they were cute. Also, you will see these also in my other previous video. These are actually plant hooks, but I am using them for this and also for some other DIYs in my other video as well. So then I got a dowel. Now this dowel is from Dollar Tree, and you know that I like to be frugal or use DIYs that you would think like, oh, I never even thought of using that, and it's cheaper. So I know Dollar Tree is supposed to be raising their prices, so you may possibly find dowels a little bit cheaper at Lowe's or something like that. But so basically I took one of these, and it was actually a plunger, and I took off the plunger and cut down part of the wood. So then also you're gonna need some kind of tool to write with, so a pen or a marker or a pencil. I'm just using this pencil because it's easier to kind of get into the crevices. Then obviously your tool or your screwdriver tool. And then my husband does 3D printing, so we just printed off these little hooks that you could use as a rod hook, and those are easy as well. Now if you don't have a 3D printer, you could just go buy any standard like rod hook, like for curtains or something like that, or even like sometimes the 3M versions might work as well. Of course, I'm gonna need some screws to put it in the wall, and then of course my little chalk marker or crayon writer, whatever you want to call it, from Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna use that. Now as far as what's inside here, obviously these are not real, but I'm going to put the labels on here with the chalk, and we'll do that in a second. Also, I got all these from Walmart's little flower or floral area, and they're actually pretty cheap. Might have a video somewhere, I will have to find it when I bought these, but they're super cute and cheap. All right guys, so I took my marker and I wrote what they are. So this is the artificial of rosemary. Then I did my lavender, and then I did my thyme. Let's see if it can focus a little bit. And so those are gonna be super cute. And let's stay tuned to the next part. All right guys, so I hooked the hooks onto my dowel, and then what I'm going to do next is mark it on the wall. All right guys, as you can see, there is a line right here at the top left-hand corner, and I put another line. So I marked it with my pencil, and then we are going to drill. All right guys, as you can see, it is even. So that is where it's gonna sit, underneath the microwave and kind of above the stove. So let's add our decor. So guys, as you can see, it is so cute. It is hanging up, and it is super cute in our little decor. So if you want a quick and easy, small little, cute little decor, you get to have this. Super cute, super cheap. I would say probably at the most maybe pay $15 because some of the stuff I already used for previous DIYs. So you can't beat that. Super cute.